Hello there. Just wanted to go over a couple of things that I'm going to replace on my boiler today. What I have is a high efficiency boiler. It's about 98.5% efficient. This was put in about 9 years ago. Yeah, 9 years ago. So I want to show you if you can see it. I got a crusty vent valve there that's going to be replaced. I just take a step up on this. And I've got this vent valve here that's obviously been leaking for a while. It probably should have been addressed a while ago. So I'm going to set you over here and I will show you what I'm going to be using to replace this. Let me just get you a little bit out of the way. All right, you can see the valve I'm going to replace is right here. Okay. Now I'm going to take a minute to shut some of the water off here. Or we're actually just going to crack this a little bit and see where we're at with getting it off, getting it undone. Moved a little bit. There we go. I'm going to shut my boiler off. I'm just going to grab a towel, so I'll be right back, just in case we get any leaking. I'm just going to throw this towel under here just in case we get a leaker. Now, in this case here, that's a 1/2 inch vent, okay? And I had to go out and buy an adapter. So I'm going to put this adapter, and this is a 1/2 inch to 1/8 inch vent. And I'm going to wrap that with some of this blue plumber's tape. And I'm going to put a little bit of this pipe thread sealant on the adapter before I put it in. Give me a minute to get this wrapped up. And when you use this tape, they recommend that you twist it and get it into the threads really good, okay? So that's going to sit in there like that. I'm just going to take this old vent out, make sure I'm not going to get a lot of leaking. little bit of water coming out of it. Tighten that back up and get this ready to put in. So in this particular case here, I've got this vent valve that I'm going to use. It's a Taco vent valve. It says it's a 400 high vent. Now this is a 1/8 inch connector, and this is what I'm going to use that adapter for. So that adapter, we're going to go in here with the adapter, and then we're going to tighten it going down. So let's get this set, ready to go. We tape this up and put some spritz on it and start getting that in the hole. And then we'll take one out and put the whole assembly in one piece. Okay, that's the blue tape on here. Get that tightened. We'll put a little spritz on it, which is pipe dope. This is what I typically use for pipe dope. Blue Monster thread sealant. Just put a little bit on here. You don't need to kill it or drown it in the stuff. Just a little bit to cover the threads. And that's what I've got. So I'm going to start it in this end of the connector. Okay. Got that in there so far. Okay. As you can see. I'll just tighten it up a little bit. Okay, that's kind of snug. And now we'll put some of the pipe thread sealant on the end of this. Get this ready. Right. And that's what we have on this end. Okay. Now I'm going to try to take this out and then pop this in at the same time. Just trying to think if there's anything I should shut off, anything else I should shut off here. Let me loosen it up a little and see what happens. If it's very bad, I can always put it back in. Oh yeah, it's going to spray. So let me figure something else out here, and I'll be back with you in a minute. All right, I'm back. What I had to do is I had to let a lot of pressure out of the system, so I threw all my shut-offs around the vent valve here into a bucket, drained out the pressure. Now we're all set to go. See, nothing more is leaking out of there. So we're just going to put this in. Get it going. There we are. One more thing here. We'll get this tightened up. Right, so I'm going to loosen the top of that a little bit. We're going to put our water pressure back on. Make sure we're okay. Turn these valves on one at a time. Okay. And the boiler's back on. I can tell this one was really bad. I don't see any leaks on that. Looks all good to go now. Thanks for stopping by and watching this project. I've got another one to do later on. I'll probably put a video up of that. Appreciate your time as usual, and if you find these videos of any value or helpful to you, please like and subscribe. Have a good day.